In this video, we're going to show you how to determine when it's time to replace the wheels on the lower rack of your dishwasher. So if you're having a problem with the way the rack is rolling out of the dishwasher, maybe it's slipping off the edge and dropping in, or it's really difficult to get in and out, it's very easy to inspect the wheels. You just basically want to check and make sure that they're turning freely, that they're still nice and round, that they haven't cracked, or you have a really bad flat spot that sometimes happens. They'll also sometimes wear inside the holder, in which they'll pop out and the wheel will wind up, being on a bit of an angle. And that's when they start to do that drop down inside the tub, and you gotta set the rack back up into place and pull it out or push it in again. So it's very easy just to have an inspection. They're all basically one piece. Sometimes they're sold individually like this, or they'll be in a set of 4. But it's just that easy to inspect them and see if you have a problem or not. And if you do, you don't have to go to mess around trying to jury rig something to get you through. Just order new ones and put them on.